Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Mozilla Firefox on your MacBook. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. So first of all, you have to open your browser. So I'm gonna open Safari browser here. And after then, you have to type on the address bar Mozilla Firefox download for Mac. And then click on the first page. And now normally click on this download now button. Click on this allow button. And now a .dmg file is going to be downloaded. Wait a few seconds until the download is fully completed. And after downloading the file, normally click on it to open it. And now you will see a pop-up window like this. Normally, drag this icon to the Applications folder to install it. And now, if we check our Applications folder, we'll see Mozilla Firefox there. Here it is. Normally click on this icon. And it will take some permission whenever it is opening for the first time. Click on this open button again. And here is your Mozilla Firefox web browser. So that's all about today's video. I think this video will help you a lot. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. Your one subscription motivates me a lot. See you in the next video. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.